Alright, welcome channel guys. In today's video I have very special unboxing. So you might have already seen in the thumbnail. So I'm yet to unbox this package. So
This is a very special thing which Royal Enfield has launched recently.
okay, finally we have. So if you're interested in buying this product, you can easily buy it from your nearest Royal Enfield showroom. This is how the package comes. Okay, finally here is the package of the Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 Camet White. So this is the die-cast model of the bike I own right now. This is how the package looks. So this is from the brand which manufactures all the die-cast models for Royal Enfield, and yeah, you can see. So here you can see all the details. So yeah, I have seen this brand is made in China, and I have seen this brand being manufactured for all the other models as well. For example, like Honda CBR 650R and KTM bikes and all, but those bikes are selling for 750 rupees. But as you know, Royal Enfield always charges their own premium. So yeah, they are charging 1750 rupees for this particular model. So let me quickly open this box. Still, even being little expensive, we can thank Royal Enfield because this is a very aspirational product, especially for the owners. So yeah, this is the box. This is how it looks. Looks absolutely amazing. There is a small screw here, so let me try to open this small screw and get back. So yeah, I have finally opened the screws. This is where the screw went. So yeah, the build quality of this bike feels absolutely nice. It is a bit heavy, you can see. It has got this dual tone seat here. The rims are a bit more shiny, but you can see all the other details are very well finished, especially the exhaust muffler. Here you can see it is finished in dual tone color. So this brushed aluminum finish here and this separate color for the pipe, and you can also see the mud guard, or sorry, bash plate. It is also finished in dual color. So this is the brushed aluminum, this is the plastic part, which is absolutely nice. And even the detailing for the radiator looks absolutely nice. So the suspension of the rear bike, as you can see, the rear suspension works. so that just the tire moves, along with it the chain does not move. This is the fixed part. And all the detailing, you can see there is no RE branding at the front, but the handlebar, you can see there is a engine kill switch, rear view mirror, and these all details are here. Even the rear mudguard is finished quite nicely, and there are two stands. You can see the level of detailing is absolutely amazing. There is a center stand and there is a main stand, which looks absolutely like an original stand. And this is a display, and there is a branding of Bibri here, and Himalayan branding, you can see. The tires are rubber finished, and this is how the bike looks. Everything is placed correctly as the original motorcycle. The front suspension does not work. And if I just put it on the stand, this is how it sits. It's the leaning angle. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. If you have any doubts or suggestions, do let me know in the comment section box down below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace out.